Reginald!
Doggy biscuits. What? Oh, no. Dogs and cats used to be natural enemies, to the point that it became a phrase. Fighting like cats and dogs.
Classic.
Then humans decided that both dogs and cats would make great pets. And so...
I thought the teachers were supposed to make us sleepy.
Pork chops! What? No. Oh, and so an agreement was made that when dog and cat lived with human, there would be peace.
Never!
That's a Roddy's favorite chew toy!
Cat. Cat. Chill. Chill.
We signed a sacred truce with the cats and sealed it in this locket that we keep safe deep in the archives of our academy.
Shorter version, see a cat, don't attack.
Attack?
No! That's not what he said!
Go get him! Good!
Every time! All right, please do not encourage him!
Cats are the worst.
You call that an attack?
Cats cannot be called.
Touche.
Corazon!
Did I pass?